Hello friends and welcome to Antivirus. In this particular video, we are going to discuss a new variant from ransomware family, and it's ProLock ransomware. ProLock is a new human-operated ransomware discovered in March 2020. It's a rebranded version of ndLocker, which discovered in late 2019. ndLocker ransomware used to embed shellcode in forget AVI video files, but due to flaws in encryption method use, the encrypted file may be recovered. Since start of the year, new ransomware gang named ProLock has made a name for itself by hacking into large companies and government networks, encrypting files, use ransom payment. ProLock is the latest ransomware gang that has adopted the big game hunting approach to its operation. Big game hunting refers to going after larger targets in order to extract big payments from victims who can afford it. System administrators who manage this larger network are the most likely to see attack from this particular group. In the most of the incident analyzed by security researchers, the ProLock ransomware was deployed on the network that have been previously infected with the Quackbot Trojan. The Quackbot Trojan is distributed by via email spam campaign, is dropped as a second storage payload on the computer and previously infected with the emoted Trojan. System administrator who find computer infected with either of these two malware strains should isolate its system and audit their network. How to protect your system from ProLock ransomware? Install reputable anti-malware software and firewall to ensure maximum security.